Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through a simple but powerful tip to improve your browsing experience in Opera. If you often lose your open tabs after closing the browser, don't worry. We'll show you how to make Opera remember and reopen them automatically every time. First, open your Opera browser. Next, click on the red Opera logo located at the top left corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled On Startup. Under that section, select the option that says Retain tabs from previous session. That's it. Now Opera is set to automatically restore all your previously opened tabs whenever you restart the browser. If you ever close the browser by accident or just want to pick up where you left off, this setting will make sure nothing gets lost. You can always go back and change this setting if needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tech tips. Let us know in the comments what you'd like us to cover next.